Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Esther. So today I had this client and I thought to share the experience with you guys. Amidst the things I do is the fact that I'm also a braider. Yes, I'm a braider based in Winterthur, Switzerland. So this was my client today. So I set out to start her hair. My client is half Italian, half Eritrean. So that's why her hair is like this. The hair is so full, the hair is so luscious, and she decided to braid her hair this winter just to protect her hair. So if you are in doubt of what to do this season, just get your hair in the braids, because with the braids you can never go wrong. Like they say, braids are evergreen. So braids are one protective style you might need to try out. So this was when we started the hair. It was just box braid and nothing more. Long box braid. It's been a while I did this, so it was so tiring for me. While doing this, we were just chilling into the day. We were watching Netflix, we were gisting, we were chatting, and it was fun. And guys, one thing was that I never set out to become a braider. I've said this before. Braiding was just what I did, just in case if I have a girl child, I can be braiding her hair. But on coming to Switzerland, I realized that there was a need for it. And personally, I have passion for social media. I just like putting things out there. So I started making noise about social media and making noise about my braided hair. That's how I started getting clients from time to time. It's not constant, but at least once in a while, I get to braid somebody's hair and I get to put money in my pocket. So the whole essence of this video today is to encourage you. If there's a side hustle, if there's something you like doing it and it comes to you freely, just put a price to it so that you can be gaining from it. I had fun braiding this hair, and at the same time, I had some change in my pockets. Above all is the fact that she really loved the hair. Like, can you see the flawless, can you see these seamless braids? I'm super proud of myself. I'm super proud. So if you are in doubt of what to do this season, get your hair braided. And if you are close to me, look at the ombre color. Look at it. Braids are forever green. They are forever green. I love the style, and I thought to share with you guys. I thought to share. Maybe one day I'm going to come on my live video to show you how to do it. Even though there are many videos out there that illustrate it, this is just me. Can you see it? Look, Legodu, look at what I did. I'm super proud of me, and she loves her hair. Braids are evergreen. She's half Italian, half Eritrea. Yeah. So that's it, guys. If you are in doubt, get your hair braided. I love this. Shake it, shake it. Sandalili, 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 sandalili. I'm a braider in Switzerland. Everybody knows me well. If you look me up and down, you will know that it's true. Yes, braids are evergreen. If you are in doubt of what to do, just braid your hair. So that's it, people. If you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, please do, till I catch you in my next video. Bye-bye.